Hello and welcome back to Sketch Capital. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you took a lump sum of $100,000 and put it to work in the best Fidelity index funds? What if I told you that with the right strategy, that capital could potentially grow into $20 million? I'm not talking about risky bets or picking individual stocks. I'm talking about a set-it-and-forget-it strategy using some of the most powerful wealth-building tools available today. This is the simple path to massive wealth. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 best funds to get there and why the math, as always, doesn't lie. Stick around, because the last one is a game changer. Before we dive deep into the telemetry of these funds, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Join our mission here at Sketch Capital to master your financial future. Now, let's establish our mission parameters. How did we select these specific funds? We didn't just pick names out of a hat, we used 3 rigorous criteria. First is growth. We need funds that outpace inflation and capture the expanding global economy. This is the engine of our $20 million goal. Second, we looked at dividends. These are the fuel. When reinvested, they create a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth building exponentially over time. Finally, sector stability. We want funds that can weather market storms. Consistency is the secret sauce of compounding. You have to stay in the game to win. Think of it like a money waterfall. Your dividends aren't just extra cash, they are a secondary stream of income that flows right back into the main pool. This reinvestment loop is what separates the average investor from the wealthy. It's how $100,000 becomes a financial empire. The math is clear. Fund number 1 is FSTA, the Fidelity Consumer Staples Index Fund. In the world of finance, I like to call this the castle. Why a castle? Because it protects your wealth. This fund invests in companies that provide things people simply cannot live without, regardless of the economy. We're talking about giants like Procter & Gamble and Coca-Cola. These are businesses with decades of consistent performance and dividend growth. They might not be the flashiest stocks, but their reliability is legendary. They provide the steady cash flow that feeds our money waterfall. When the market gets volatile, FSTA often holds its ground. The math shows that lower volatility helps you avoid emotional selling during downturns. Steady growth beats volatile swings every time. This fund is the solid floor of our $100,000 portfolio, ensuring we never start from zero. Next up is FDIS, the Consumer Discretionary Index Fund. If FSTA is the castle, FDIS is the bulldozer. It's aggressive and growth-heavy. This fund is powered by giants like Amazon and Tesla. It captures the spending of people when they have extra cash in their pockets. When the economy is booming, this fund leads the charge. It tracks companies in retail, automotive, and entertainment that thrive on consumer confidence. The holdings here are some of the most innovative and dominant brands on the planet. They are the engines of modern consumption. By investing in FDIS, you're capturing the power of human desire and innovation. Let's sketch out what a decade of this growth looks like. The telemetry shows that when discretionary spending peaks, this fund delivers massive returns. It provides the upward thrust needed for our $20 million target. Third on our list is FHLC, the Fidelity Healthcare Index Fund. This is an essential service with long-term, predictable demand. It's a perfect mix of stability and cutting-edge innovation. As the global population ages, the demand for healthcare services only goes in one direction. You're owning the biggest names in the business: United Health, Johnson & Johnson, and Eli Lilly. These companies are at the center of human longevity. The R&D pipelines of these companies are massive. They are constantly developing the next generation of life-saving treatments and technologies. Demographics are destiny. This fund captures the growth of the entire sector, from biotech to insurance. The math suggests long-term tailwinds. The numbers show that healthcare consistently outperforms the broader market over long horizons with less volatility than pure tech. It's a cornerstone of our mission. Now we're moving into the high-performance zone with ONQ, the Fidelity Nasdaq Composite Index Fund. This is where tech meets scale. It's the engine room of the modern economy, tracking over 3,000 companies on the Nasdaq. It's diversified but heavily tilted toward innovation. When you own ONQ, you own the future of software, communication, and digital services. It's the broad market play for the information age. This fund gives you exposure to the established giants and the rising stars of the tech world. It's the perfect middle ground for growth and scale. While it can be more volatile than our staples or healthcare funds, the tech-heavy nature of ONQ has historically provided superior capital appreciation. For a long-term goal like $20 million, having this level of growth exposure is non-negotiable. The math shows that tech is where the alpha is found. Finally, the breakout fund, FTEC, the Fidelity Information Technology Index Fund. This is our pure, unadulterated tech play. This is where semiconductors, AI, and cloud computing live. It has the potential for the largest returns in this entire portfolio. It's the spearhead. You're owning the titans: Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia. These aren't just companies, they are the infrastructure of the digital world. Every byte of data, every AI prompt, every smartphone in the world relies on the companies in this fund. It is the most powerful growth engine we have. When we look at the AI revolution, FTEC is at the absolute forefront. The math suggests we are still in the very early innings of this cycle. FTEC is the accelerant. It's the fund that could turn your $100,000 into the millions we discussed at the start. The data shows its dominance is just beginning. If you find this visual breakdown helpful, let me know in the comments. Which of these 5 funds would you prioritize for your own mission? Let's discuss which strategy fits your risk tolerance and goals best. I'll be down there reading and replying to your thoughts. Let's build together. Now, let's look at the combined telemetry. If we split our $100,000 across these 5 pillars, what does the trajectory actually look like? By balancing the stability of staples and healthcare with the explosive growth of tech and discretionary spending, we create a resilient wealth machine. The math shows that even with moderate historical averages, the power of time and consistent reinvestment makes the $20 million goal achievable. Time is your greatest ally. The longer you let this system run, the faster the waterfall flows. This is how real wealth is engineered. Summarizing our mission, with these 5 Fidelity funds combined, your $100,000 isn't just sitting in a bank, it's working for you every single second. Numbers can be intimidating when they're just digits on a screen, but when you draw them out, the path becomes clear. Success is just a matter of math. And the math? As we've seen today, it doesn't lie. You have the tools, you have the strategy, and now you have the plan. The rest is up to you. Check out this video on the screen to explore how REITs can build wealth with even less capital. It's the perfect complement to this strategy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more data-driven analysis here at Sketch Capital. Your support helps us continue these deep dives. Thank you for your time. I hope this was valuable for you and see you in the next video. We'll be here sketching out the future. Until then, keep your eyes on the data and your mind on the goal. This is Sketch Capital signing off. Mission complete.